Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. Once you open up your app, this is how it's gonna look like. So from this section, what you have to do is simply have to go to your friends section. Now for me, I've signed up as a guest, so I do not have any friends added. Now these are the people available for me. I can just invite them and make them my friends. And when you have a friend, you will find all of the friend list right over there. And if you find someone that you would like to block, you just have to tap on their profile and you have to remove them as a friend. So once you remove them as a friend, that they are simply not a friend anymore, and that is simply equivalent to blocking them on Monopoly Go. So again, all you have to do is access your Monopoly Go with the account where you would like to block someone. Go to friends, check out your friends list, tap on a friend's profile that you don't want to have anymore, tap on remove friends, and you're good to go. That's all you need to do to remove or block someone on Monopoly Go, and that's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.